Yeah, we are here today for the 2011 Department of the Navy Acquisition Excellence Awards.
The acquisition workforce, you place the finest ships, aircraft, armored vehicles, weapon systems possible in the hands of those sailors and Marines.
The people here are the folks that are being recognized for the awards. My team specifically is being recognized for the Expeditionary and Contracting Awards. I love the business. I like dealing with, negotiating with contractors and getting them on their toes, so to speak, to make sure that they provide us the best possible supplies and services.
Because people like you are the true secret weapon of the Department of the Navy. Thank you so much for what you do. We are so thankful to have you in this department and making this the greatest Navy Marine Corps team that the world has ever seen.